Greetings, watch lovers. Today we're going to take a look at this interesting Quartz digital analog Mossimo watch. I've never seen one of these before. It's in like a black chrome finish. A little bit of scuffing on the band, but not bad. Doesn't really seem to have any major scratches on the crystal, which I believe is glass. And I finally got the back open, which was quite difficult. I actually broke a blade doing it. And I'm going to be leaving the band on because that also looks kind of difficult to remove. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Get this battery out. Looks like we need to remove a screw. This bracket, I would say. See what it says. Take off this battery first for analog battery replacement. And 2 when it's covered up. So let's take this, see if we can get this sticker off so you can see what it says. What does number 2 say? I think I may have to get this band off. I think these pins push out. Probably push out of that side. I think I can get the screwdriver in there without taking the band off. What I could have done is just opened up this right here. Got a sticker there as well. Turn it off. We have a 2025 battery. Oh, look at that. There's another battery underneath that. That's what they're talking about. heck do you get that one out? Alright, split this band. Can't work on it like this. That's better. All right, now I can read step 2 says, caution, maintain original orientation of metal battery cover. Okay. So we have a piece of plastic on top of this battery. Is there more than one battery here? Because it sure looks like it. Wow, this is some crazy setup. And this is a sticker, but I don't think that's a battery. No. So this is the battery here. SR6G6SW. Oh, it looks like another battery under there, kind of. Just the one. What's under this? Oh, it's stuck on there pretty good. I'll leave that. That is probably the connection. That's what that is for the big battery. All right, so let's get this one out. Is there another piece of plastic there? Wow, what a pain. Try not to damage anything here. There we go. All right. The battery compartment looks clean. The battery's from Japan, so good chance this is the original battery. Battery's marked 98, although I'm pretty sure this watch is from 2009, going by the number in the back cover. Okay, so we got our new 626 SW. Put that in there. get under there. Push down. There we go. That's part of the, oh yeah, look at that. We got the second hand moving. So that's the analog battery. And now, open up this, got a new 2025. It's right there. The battery cover back in. Be interesting to see what this looks like when it's running. What's in those digital displays? Goodness. Okay. I think we should see something. All right, look at that. Nice. Cool. I have no idea what these buttons do. These look like stopwatch. Yeah. So light. Bad. There's a blue backlight. Not bad. Alarm. Set the time. And of course, this sets the analog time. All right, not bad. Well, I'm going to put the cover back on and put it bin back together and polish it up. Probably put it on eBay. I've got too many watches. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Have a good day.